PIDGIN TV.
Country people, una welcome to our Ogbonge weekly Pidgin English news for DGM television. Na me, una country brother, Stanley Okocha, na wan still knack una all our tori for this week. Our first story, they come from Ogun State, where the Abeokuta people don riot go the L0CKD Palace. Wetin cause the riot be say dem say belle no sweet dem for the way when e be say the government for the state take share food for this lockdown. Abeg make you show dem the video.
Àwọn arúgbó ni.
Báwo ni àmọ́ màá sẹ́ni lọ́nà náà.
Wọ́n ṣe mọ́tìrì máa wá ní àbí tí ò ṣe àsọfún lórí rédíò. Ẹ lọ ní sùúrù. Gbogbo ọkọ̀ tí ó
Tiẹ̀
tẹ̀lé.
yẹn wá ìyá.
Ẹ máa kọrúkọ yín lẹ́ǹta lọ́hùn.
We don see the video. My own for inside be say government, I beg una make sure say food for this lockdown, make una let am dey reach hand well. We no go fit stay o. If this one pass, e pass the one we just see now, I beg una government, governors, federal government, make una do the needful as far as food distribution concern. If this one na the first time when you take dey watch our news videos like this, I beg, no forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel wey be DGM TV, and make you no forgetful to hit the notification bell so that you go continue to get ogbonge news videos from us like this.
PIDGIN TV.